Welcome to the Capodistrias Museum. Welcome to the country house of the Capodistrias family. Inside the museum, there is a permanent exhibition, the biographical exhibition for Ioannis Capodistrias, his work and his legacy. The life of a man that lived for some time here, and we're in his house. We are introduced to his objects and to the decoration of this house. Every visitor sees different objects, different artifacts that tell a story of this man's life. But at the windows, you can see his view, his world, his life, how he dreamed. In the exhibition, you can see the family of Ioannis Capodistrias, and most significantly, the amazing painting of his father, Antonios Maria Capodistria, attributed to Gerasimos Pizamanos, as well as his mother, Adamantina Honemi, and two of his brothers and sisters. Here you can see his bureau, his table lamp, a beautiful silver table lamp of a different era. You can see his books, and you can see a lot of objects, personal objects, gifts he received, memorabilia he collected from his extensive stay in Europe. The biggest surprise in our museum is actually this portrait. This is Ioannis Capodistrias, aged 38. A very important exhibit in our museum is a frame with 6 small portraits. In the last room, you will see a painting from the late 19th century of the assassination of Capodistrias. He died in 1831, age 56.